Je zelo zanimiva, ker povezuje celoten zbor, veliko je delavnic v krogu, veliko se dela po manjših skupinah in se poudarek je na poslušanju.
Delavnica se mi zdela koristna prvič zaradi tega, da pevci postajajo bolj samostojni, da se znajo tudi sami izražati svoje čustva, svoje ideje. In zanimivo je bilo, da kakšen od tistih, ki v zboru zelo dobro funkcionira, se tukaj mogoče malo slabše izkazal, tisti, ki pa včasih v zboru deluje nekoliko bolj zadržano, je pa tukaj le v kakšnih delu v parih ali pri kakšnih takih zadevah pravzaprav zelo presenetil s svojo inventivnostjo in ekspresivnostjo.
Kevin and I have tried to work with different improvisational methods and recipes, so to say, to give the students tools and ways to approach improvisation. And it's been so fantastic to see how curious and eager all the singers have been to dive in completely without knowing where we're landing.
I hope that the students also felt the joy that you can get from communicating with each other in a different way, and also with trusting yourself to try something new, something sometimes uncomfortable and different, and then to gain new confidence in yourself and in your own musical abilities as well through that experience. So this has been, it's just been really fun.